Welcome to my channel Easy Tulu, Learn Tulu language online. In the last lesson we have learned emphatic particles and interrogative particles in Tulu. Today we are going to learn conjunctive particle and reportive particle in Tulu. Okay, now let us see the conjunctive particle la. This can be used as a simple adverb in English, to or also, or an emphatic particle which can be translated as even or a conjunction and. Examples: Appela Magalla Battir. Mother and daughter came. Appela Magalla Battir. Naila Puchela Gobbandulla. Dog and cat are playing. Naila Puchela Gobbandulla. Ink Nailena Podige Apundu. I am afraid of dogs. Ink Nailena Podige Apundu. Inkla Nailena Podige Apundu. I am also afraid of dogs. Inkla Nailena Podige Apundu. Ink Nailenala Podige Apundu. I am also afraid of dogs. Ink Nailenala Podige Apundu. The English usage of also or to is unclear. The sentence I am also afraid of dogs could mean that in addition to some other person, I am afraid of dogs, or I am afraid of dogs in addition to other things. However, the Tulu sentence is clear. La succeeds the word that it modifies. Yalla niklenottu barpe. I will come with you too. Yalla niklinottu barpe. Yan dada panpe aven malpuela. I also do what I say. Yan dada panpe aven malpuela. Yan onji gantela jeidije. I have not slept for even an hour. Yan onji gantela jeidije. Ar enallettijer. He or she didn't call me. Ar enallettijer. Arla enallettijer. He or she also did not call me. Arla enallettijer. Ar enalla lettijer. He or she did not call me too. Ar enalla lettijer. Ar enallettilla ijji. He or she didn't even call me. Ar enallettilla ijji. Yan ayen lettandala battije. Even though I called him, he did not come. Yan ayen lettandala battije. Akulu battijeridala ir barode. Even though they do not come, you should come in any case. Akulu battijeridala ir barode. La is also used to change interrogative pronouns into indefinite pronouns. Examples: erla, anyone; ernala, anyone's; enchinala, anything; dala, anything; ola, any of them; etla, any quantity or sufficient; epala, anytime or always; olla, anywhere; odela, to anywhere; onchila, to anywhere. Now let us see few example sentences. Illad erla ullera. Is there anyone home? Illad erla ullera. Eredala paterorchi. Don't speak with anyone. Eredala paterorchi. Ink dala burchi. I don't need anything. Ink dala burchi. Namaku pariyara etla neerundu. We have sufficient water to drink. Namakku pariyara etla neerundu. Surya epala mudayadu muduve. The sun always rises in the east. Surya epala mudayadu muduve. Aye olla tojuje. He is not visible anywhere. Aye olla tojje. Ir odela poverchi. You don't go to anywhere. Ir odela poverchi. Okay, now let us see reportive particle ge. This is used in reported speech, which can be translated as it is said or it is heard. When reporting something said by others, we normally use ga at the end of sentences. Using ga at the end of a sentence shows that the sentence you said was not yours, but it was said by someone else, or you got the news from unknown source, which cannot be believed true completely. For example, if some people said, there is a bomb in the bus, and you want to report that, you can say, Busted bomb unduge. It is said that there is a bomb in the bus. Busted bomb unduge. Busted bomb undu means there is a bomb in bus. Busted bomb unduge. It is said that there is a bomb in the bus. Let us see a few more examples. Janakul panperu ayavari kalvege. People say that he is a thief. Janakul panperu ayavari kalvege. Ayanikku katandullege. He or someone else said that he is waiting for you. Ayanikku katandullege. Akulu elle barperge. They or someone else said that they will come tomorrow. Akulu elle barperge. Ini ee nela vachchoduge. It said that you should wipe the floor today. Ini ee nela vachchoduge. Aar tirpoyerge. It's heard that he or she has expired. Aar tirpoyerge. Ay Bombaidullege. It's heard that he is in Mumbai. Ay Bombaidullege. Okay, that's all we had for the day. In the next lesson, we will learn remaining particles. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please click on the thumbs up button below. Also, don't forget to subscribe by clicking on the subscribe button to get notification on my latest video lessons on YouTube. If you have any suggestions, please comment. Happy learning, and we will meet again in the next video. Bye.